Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to activate glow sticks easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So if you want to learn and know how to activate glow sticks easily, this is the full tutorial for you. Let's get into this. These are some glow sticks, okay? Now one of these I accidentally activated when I was removing them this morning. My kids ended up getting a pack of these from a loot bag from a birthday party that we went to, and they used a few of them and then they kind of just forgot about them, and I found them in the cupboard and I was like, you know what? I can use these for a video because they'd been sitting in the cupboard for a while. This is the one that is already activated. So I'm gonna activate it a bit more and I can show you what it looks like. Sort of if I hold my hands like this, you can probably kind of see that it's glowing. Not really, sorry, I do apologize. It's really, really bright out. I do apologize, but it is activated. So I'm gonna show you how to activate the other two, which as far as I know, aren't activated yet. Okay, so essentially there is a sort of like a liquid in your substance in here, and in order to activate it, you need to bend them. It's called like cracking the glow stick. So I'm gonna take the glow stick, and if you listen closely, you can actually hear it crack. Okay, listen closely. It almost sounds like it's like ice sort of like crackling together, okay? And you could just sort of bend it in all directions. You don't have to over bend it, but you just gotta bend it a bit. There you go. And then it's gonna start glowing and you're gonna get quite a bit of time out of it. Now, it's hard to see, but I will tell you, this right here is actually, it looks like a blue color. Now, it's like I said, it's kind of hard to see. Even if I bunch it up like this and I sort of cover it like that, it's going to be really, really hard to see if it's glowing or not. But it is glowing. I can see if I really, actually, it's like a pinkish reddish kind of color. Okay, so that's how you activate a glow stick. Take the glow stick like this and just bend it like that. You're going to hear some cracking sounds. Don't worry. It's completely normal. I know you're scared because you think you're breaking it. Trust me, these things are super durable. You're not breaking it. Okay? Very, very simple and straightforward. Just bend it like that. And that's it. And you're going to activate the glow stick and it's going to glow. I'm just going to go and I'm going to put it in my jacket. I'm going to kind of see what color this one is right here. This one is like yeah, it looks like a green as far as I can see. But yeah, that's essentially it. That is how to activate glow sticks easily. An easy tutorial, a full tutorial. Just bend them until you hear that cracking sound. And yeah, eventually they're gonna stop glowing, but that's it. Really, really easy to do, and I showed you exactly how to do it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more. Sorry, just so you know, I use props for videos, and I got like 10 props at a time, let's say, that I'm using. When I'm done with it, I'll put them in the back seat, and then I know I'm finished with that. And then when I get home that day, I'll take these and I'll bring them back inside. Some stuff goes in the garbage, some stuff gets stored away again, you know, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, that's why I put those back there. It's just kind of my process for making videos. But that's truly it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.